I'm making this YouTube video because when I decided to buy a Mr. Coffee espresso machine, I couldn't find a video to help me figure out how to make coffee and how to use it. So here it is. This is the coffee machine set up, and it was really easy. All I did was just follow the instructions and kind of put it all together. But before I did it, I washed it. I'm gonna measure how much I want to actually drink. So I've measured out 2. You're gonna remove this top. Just gonna do the same thing and just pour this in. Okay, now it's the coffee part. So I've taken this out, and I kind of already did it. I got ahead of myself. But you can remove this from this. I don't know what they're called, but it has a little measuring stuff on the side to see how much you might want. So I've just got 2 in there, maybe a little bit below 2, but it measures on the inside too. So you just drop that in there. All right, and I'm probably gonna have to stop and do this with 2 hands, but what you do is you put it up here, and to lock it, you just lock it about right here is where it gets kind of taut, so I'm gonna have to do it with 2 hands. I've got that locked up tight, so now what I'm gonna do is take this lid and just kind of place it on this cup. And what I'm gonna do is align it so it can go just straight in like that. And I'm gonna turn it to brew. As this is heating up, I'm gonna show y'all what kind of coffee I use. I just use the breakfast blend, and it's just grounds, but you can really use just whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. All right, so it looks as if it's done, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna pour this inside my coffee cup. All right, so it's done. So this is the espresso. All I've done is just add ice, and you need to add a lot because it will melt because the coffee is still hot. Latte, all you have to do is just add your favorite milk. So I put my coffee to the side, and how I'm just gonna clean this is I'm just gonna clean that later. And then this, as you can see, is really, really hot, and so it's really compacted too. So I'm just gonna lay this in my sink until I can get to that later, until it cools down. And when that cools down, all you have to do is take the grounds out and then just clean it, and it's really easy. It takes like 5 seconds for me to clean, so. All right, so this is the end result, and it's really good. I really enjoy it, but the reason I made this video is because I literally could not find a video where it was just showing you how to make the coffee because I just had absolutely no clue. So this is how you do it. It's really easy, and that's my recipe. You can do anything you want with this coffee maker. It's really good. I recommend it. But I just want to make a fast video because I had to go through all these videos and they were so slow and it was just like boring. And so that's how you use the coffee machine, and that's how you make an iced latte.